If you are already in business or wanting to start a business, you probably already know the importance of a strong credit rating, and you know the value of being able to get your hands on the money you need to begin and grow your business. Unfortunately, getting that money is a major roadblock for many business owners. Perhaps you've already had a loan application denied. Many business owners, in fact, have their financing requests turned down repeatedly. So you know what you need. But like many others, what you might not know is how to get it. And that's where this short video can help. As you're watching, you can begin to understand both the challenges and the opportunities for credit and funding, as well as how to pick your way through the maze most effectively. Statistically, the single greatest challenge facing small business owners is getting your hands on sufficient startup capital and additional financing for ongoing operational expenses and growth. It may come as no surprise that a primary reason for over 50% of small businesses failing in their first 3 years is undercapitalization. In other words, they have insufficient credit to get the funding so critical to running and building their business. And the reason for this is no one has taught them how to establish business credit and then how to leverage it into the financing every business owner so desperately needs. And make no mistake about it, if you don't already have a need for financing, the day will come when you do. Will you be ready? The biggest mistake business owners make is starting and building their businesses entirely by leveraging their personal credit. And personal credit, of course, can only go so far. And the end result is usually a credit crisis that can knock you flat on your back and out of the game before you really even get rolling. That's why we developed this short video, to share with you the information you need to know about creating a business credit asset totally independent of your personal credit, so you can support the startup, growth, and expansion needs of your business, all with no risk to your personal credit standing. Here is another mistake that is made all too often. When most business owners start their business, they collect up whatever money they have from savings, personal loans, or friends and family. They place that money directly into their business bank account and start spending. This is a huge mistake. That same amount of money could have been placed with one of our member banks that would have issued a dollar-for-dollar business line of credit reporting to the business credit agencies. This one step puts your business on the radar of most other business lenders who know how impossible it is to get approved for a bank business loan. Inside our system, we will help you avoid many other business credit and financing mistakes. We will make sure that you build strong business credit scores and that your business has access to financing. When it comes to succeeding in business financing, the experts agree. You absolutely must establish business credit for your business that is entirely separate from your personal credit. Entrepreneur Magazine. You should differentiate your personal credit from your business credit. The Wall Street Journal. Lenders check your company's credit report to see if they want to do business with you. Wells Fargo Bank. The longer you delay establishing business credit, the longer you delay taking advantage of business loans. As you've discovered, building a business credit asset is the key to attracting lenders. So how do you do it the right way? As the leader in small business financing and business credit coaching, we've created a proven 4-step path to success. Step 1. Ensure your business meets the lending criteria. Our system takes you step by step through meeting the 24-point underwriting criteria before you even apply. If even one of these items is missing or incomplete, your application may be declined, and often is. Step 2. Separate your business credit from your personal credit as quickly and completely as you can. Step 3. As soon as you have your business file, begin building a business credit history. Step 4. Introducing you to our networks of thousands of lenders, and most importantly, a thorough familiarity with their underwriting criteria, so we can get you into compliance before you apply. Far too many business owners apply without knowing whether they even meet the requirements, and then just sit back, hoping and praying they might get approved. When you follow our system, you know you're pre-approved before you even apply. One of the things we've learned in helping over 50,000 businesses build the credit they need is this. Most business owners are so involved in the day-to-day operations of their business, they just don't get around to setting aside time to focus on their financial planning. Then when they need the money, suddenly they realize they have no plan and no credit. Needless to say, they soon suffer the consequences. We'd rather you not suffer that fate. And that is why we've developed the only certified coaching system that supports you in creating a strong business credit asset and then maximizing it to get all the trade credit and cash you need to grow your business. Due to the unprecedented level of trust we've built with both Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax, we're the only business credit and funding development company providing direct access to your credit file and history right within our portal. No one else in the industry has this type of working relationship with the business credit bureaus. Our coach's primary objective is always making sure you are successful in this process, doing it in the shortest time, and ensuring you end up with the highest value credit asset possible. In fact, because their pay is directly tied to your success, you won't find coaches anywhere with a stronger commitment to your business success. Popular statistics, as well as our own experience with clients, show an amazing 511% increase in successful completion of our program when you work with a certified credit coach. Coaching makes all the difference. Together, our coaches and loan processors ensure you create the highest value business credit asset and that you apply it to maximizing your access to funding and lending. I encourage you to start today, because even as easy as it is, building a business credit asset can take time. The sooner you start building strong business credit scores, the sooner you'll find the financing you need for your business to be successful. Our objective is simple. We want all our business partners like you to grow and succeed and never become one of those failure statistics. Of course, we realize you may be unsure of just how much guidance you need. When you're expecting your business to be the vehicle for achieving your financial security and lifestyle goals, you need to understand that ample financing is the fuel that gets you there. Yet, most business owners begin their journey with an almost empty tank and no plans for filling up. The choice is clearly yours. You can either prepare for your journey now or wind up stranded at the side of the road, watching every opportunity pass you by.